Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to study the new chapter, that is garbage in and garbage out. So basically we have already done about the definition of garbage in. Garbage in means those materials which are useful for us and we have to keep that garbage for the further use, that is called garbage in. And the garbage out are those substances which discarded or which is not useful for us, that is called garbage out. So let's discuss one by one. The definition of garbage is the waste materials, especially household waste, are called garbage. The peels of the fruits and vegetables and fall and leaves of potted plants are thrown away as a garbage. Dealing with the garbage. Garbage has two types of components in it. First one is useful components and the second one is useless components. In useful components, we can say that that component should be biodegradable, or we can say we can use further after using or recycling. But useless components which cannot be used for further. So those things present in the garbage which can be converted into useful product, recycle or reuse are called useful components. The second one is those things present in the garbage which can neither be used in any way nor recycle are called useless components. So we can say in useful components we have divided two things, that is the first one, two types, that is the first one is fruits and vegetable peels, leftover cooked food and fallen leaves extra, which can be converted into the compost. So those things which can be degradable or can be converted into the manure, or we can say can be used for the plantation, that is called useful components. The second one is paper, some plastics and materials articles which can be recycled or reused. So this is the two things. Now you can see most of the times or whenever we go anywhere, we found two types of garbage or waste dustbin. Now, the first one is green and the second one is blue. In green dustbin we have to throw those things which can be decomposed or degradable easily, whereas in blue dustbin we have to throw only the plastics materials which cannot be degradable further or which cannot be used for us. Now some garbage rots where some does not. Rots means definitely we can say it's totally decomposed into the soil. So the part of the garbage which can rot in a nature to form harmless substance are called biodegradable. Or the part of the garbage which does not rot in a nature, non-biodegradable. The green dustbin, as we have said, the green dustbin is collecting the kitchen waste or other plants and animal waste, whereas the blue dustbin is for collecting waste such as plastics, glass, object and metals artificial, which can be recycled and reused. So in our next class we will discuss the decomposition disposal. It totally we define disposal means to get rid of garbage. So how can we get rid from the garbage? That is the methods which are used to get rid from the garbage are composting, vermicomposting, recycling, reuse and landfilling. So in our next class we will discuss this topic also. Have a nice day. Bye bye.